Alright everyone, welcome back to yet another TheRideTV vlog. Today we're going to go over to Track or Die and keep working on the bike. Hopefully we're going to finish up. So I ran over to my garage. I'm going to grab my helmet in hopes that I can ride my bike home today. So grab this and let's get over to Corona and get to Track or Die. Alright, well, made it over to Track or Die over here in Corona. Steve and Corey are already over here working. Steve already did a bunch of stuff on the motorcycle this morning, so let's go check it out and see what he did.
Taking witnesses' advice, finding speech exactly as it's spoken, photographically if you will, taped, and then intensifying it by repetition.
Deborah first, what's that do?
This is what controls all your oil flow. So on these, we drill these holes out bigger because you're running gold valves. So basically you make these do nothing, and then this takes over all the valving.
Starting to look like a bike again.
It's beginning to...
So what are we gonna do now, Steve?
We're going to install a Speed Merchant radial caliper mount kit so we can run this beautiful Takiko brake on your bike.
What's the benefit of that compared to what I have on there already?
Better stopping power. These came off of an R1, so they stop pretty good. It's a 4-piston. It's just better than Harley. Aftermarket performance brake. Tighter tolerances.
Shit, we're moving right along here on the bike. Front end's all done. Brakes are on. The Kiko and the bracket's all on. I would thank Hardcore Cycles for hooking me up with that. We've got the tubes on. Hard Case Performance hooked it up with those bars. They're super sick. I cannot wait to ride those. Right now, we're just gonna get this fender put on the bike. What else do we have to do? Put the exhaust on, and that's pretty much it, I think. I don't know. All right, let's keep going. Alright, it's been a long day. Ran into a little bit of issues trying to get the lights hooked back up and everything. I had a bad switch for my brakes, but we figured out the problem. It's been a long ass day, but we're just putting the seat on now, so just in a little bit, maybe, hopefully she'll start up. Probably not. Alright guys, bad news. Bike's done, but we can't get it to start. It's not getting any spark. I had this problem actually a little while before I got in the accident with the bike, so it looks like it's coming back and reoccurring. I'm gonna leave the bike here. Corey's gonna give me a ride home, and Steve's gonna keep working on it tomorrow. We've been working on it for like 2 hours trying to figure out what's going on. No luck, so that kind of sucks. I was hoping to have the bike done today, but we don't. Well, there's always tomorrow, so we'll see you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.